B-roll, Zapier invoice close-up. I'll be straight with you. Before you pay Zapier $500 a month, watch this. B-roll, n8n logo animation. n8n is a free open-source automation tool. I've tried 12 tools like this, and it's quietly stealing Zapier's customers. Here's why. B-roll, n8n canvas with AI nodes. n8n builds AI agent workflows natively. Plug Claude or ChatGPT into any flow. Classify support emails, then route them straight to Slack. B-roll, n8n code node screenshot. Drop raw JavaScript into any workflow step. Hit any API with the generic HTTP node. Zapier locks you into pre-built integrations only. B-roll, split screen ratings. G2 rates n8n 4.7 out of 5. Zapier scores 4.5, but Zapier has 7,000 integrations. n8n has 400. B-roll, pricing table animation. Self-hosted n8n, $0 forever. Unlimited workflows. Cloud Pro, $60 monthly for 10,000 executions. Zapier bills per task. n8n bills per run. B-roll, rating stars, animation. After spending 3 hours testing this myself, I give n8n 8.5 out of 10. Best for developers who want AI agents without per-task fees. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.